Hey guys, John here, Vapor Honing Technology. Today, we want to talk about the Pro Series vapor honing cabinets that we just released late 2022, probably second or third quarter of 2022. We have taken a significant amount of orders for the Pro Series cabinets. We do the Pro Series cabinet in a Weekend Warrior version, an 800 base version, and an 800 FL version. You can go check those out on the website. The Pro Series cabinets are built out of metal, so either carbon steel or stainless steel. Again, we always prefer stainless steel because it is a rust-free product. It will last you a lifetime. Carbon steel is eventually going to rust, break down, and the warranty is not as strong with the carbon steel versus stainless steel. However, one of the reasons that we developed and released the Pro Series cabinets, a lot of you might be wondering, they are the same size as our HDPE cabinets, the VH800 base, the FL, and the Weekend Warrior that we've been selling for years. One of the reasons that we released them is people wanted a metal cabinet. They wanted a metal cabinet in that size, and that's why we released the Pro Series cabinet. Again, people have different budgets, people have different needs, and that's what we're here for, to give you a product offering and options within your budget. So Pro Series cabinets are great. They have a big work area. They're metal, they're strong, they're robust, they're gonna last you a lifetime, and they are a very great value for the money. Just look at those options that we have available. It's a fantastic product for the money. You can't beat it. Hands down, is the best. And one of the awesome features here that we have, well, is the lifetime warranty, of course, and the trade-up program that you can trade up in the future if you are in too small of a cabinet at this time and you want to go up to a bigger cabinet. So keep those options in mind. And if you have questions more about the Pro Series cabinets and what they come with, the sales team is here, happy to help. And as always, thanks for watching.